Do you ever open a fridge and look at it and know that you should be cooking something, but you just don't want to? That's how I feel today. Hi, I'm Jasna. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, or even beyond, I know for sure that you have had days like this, like today. And I know I'm not alone. So today I would like to share 3 tips with you that help me on days like gray days, low energy days, days when the fridge is stuffed and you don't know what to put together. 1, lower the bar. You can use whatever's in the fridge. You can use what's already available. A plate of leftovers is a perfectly fine meal. It could be a plate, just grab some vegetables that you have cooked and I know you have. I mean, you definitely don't make a holiday meal without any veggies in it. And then you just pick your protein, whatever you have had as a protein. I know in this household, we have a whole bunch of boiled eggs that we're going to be using in the coming days as protein source. I might make zap it quickly and make an egg salad or something. They're gorgeous. I love them. I've colored them. Um, See this one? My favorite. Dill and parsley, right? Oh, I love them. They're gorgeous. Cilantro kind of got stuck on it a little bit, but that's all right. So keep it simple, right? Lower the bar. Next thing, use what's already done. Tip number 2, use what is there. You don't have to be cooking an elaborate recipe or on days like today, open the fridge, open the container with those boiled carrots or boiled green beans or steamed green beans, whatever, however, baked green beans, whatever you did with them. I know green beans are a staple here, so that's why I'm mentioning them. Open the container, put some eggs on a plate, done, right? So use what's there. And tip number 3 is have default meals. Um, have a vegetable, a protein, and if you like starches, have a starch with it too. For us here, we had a whole pot of mashed potatoes. We had a whole bunch of roasted squash. So we're going to be using those. And the meals will be simple, nothing complicated, easy peasy. And that's what makes us go through these days like today with a breeze. All right. And if you like what I talked about here today, you're in a good place. You're in the right place. In my next video, I will be showing you 5 simple meals that can make this whole thing a lot easier. See, kitchen confidence is not always about cooking. It's knowing what to do on those days when you don't feel like cooking. And that's what we chatted about today. Now, if you like what you heard, click the subscribe button below, click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.